Hello, everybody. Let me kick off week 7 by posing a question. How is working on a railroad like flying a space capsule in near-Earth orbit? Key phrase, the verbal, is like. Huh? That's this week's reading in Weston's A Rule Book for Arguments. It's a short chapter, just a tad over 3 pages long. But give it close attention. It starts off with that analogy. And if you get going at rule number 12, you'll see that phrase is like in the second paragraph. And basically, an analogy has a first premise, kind of a statement of something, and the second premise is something totally different. And the argument is that of two things that are totally different, they have something that's similar in a relevant way. And Weston takes you through that. So give it a close read. And as you get the week started, be sure, I should emphasize that, extra super certain sure that you've read this assignment, the big one, the last one of the class, certainly the first 5 instructions. I'll go through the others with you later, but these are important. And if you are looking at this for the first time, you've got your work cut out for you. Start with locating your sources. Remember, the draft is due Friday, so you'll need to get going on this. And there is the draft assignment. And it asks you to, in 3 to 5 paragraphs, cover the first 5 instructions that you just saw on the screen. So right out the gate for this week, get your sources together and start picking through Weston and Critchley on this. Now, I've had plenty of experience with the ethnic humor analysis on applying Weston and Critchley. This will be somewhat similar. Of course, keep in mind any comments I had on your essay that you can see on the grades page. And the third set of extra credit questions are here, and of course, they're about an analogy, a bad one, because, well, it's a joke. And as the week gets going, you do have a due date if you're doing the optional second comic argument analysis. And I talked about that earlier, why you would opt to do it or not do it. Okay, have a great week, and I'll talk a little bit more about bad analogies Thursday.